All right, this is going to be Got to Get You Into My Life by the Beatles. We're going to start out with this little intro riff. Okay, so it's kind of like a little horns part. We did the G string, and then we went. So that's 8 and 7 on the bottom two strings, 8 on the second, 7 on the first. Try to slide into the 10 and the 8, so you kind of split those fingers, or you can pick them all separate. But if you can get that first one to kind of slide, it sounds cool. So, and we'll go up to the 12 and 10 up here. So we have 3 different chords: 8 7, 10 8, 12 10. So you come back to those 2 lower ones, and then we're gonna go. That's big D string, 3 to 2 to open G string. So that whole beginning is. And then we just strum G 8 times. And then we're into the verse. Now the verse is going to go like a G chord, these top 3 opens. So we start out with the kind of a G chord. And then we're going to hit the D string and then 3 times on the B string. So it's. And then we hit the G string 3 times on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string there. So it's. So here's open, open on the 2nd. Kind of 1 open, 2 open, 2 to little 3. And then we can put the 1 in here and play that little 3-note chord to fill in some of that space there. So it's kind of an F chord with a G in it. So once again from the verse, we got G. Okay, so it's kind of like a down, up, down, up, down, up kind of thing, just to fill that space. So. And then we do it again, so we do this twice. And then this part is really cool. It's a B minor descending progression. But I've got the melody kind of woven into here too. So if you want to just look at that, it's 4 3 2 twice, and then 3 3 2, 2 3 2. And then 1 3 2, and that goes twice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. So we can get our melody in there with those chords. So it's ooh. We'll hit that twice. Ooh. We'll hit that chord once. 3 3 2. See how I just move that 1 finger down in that space. So we're going to go 3 on the 2nd to open on the 1st. And then that 2 right there, we're going to follow that with that 2 3 2 chord. And we're not really doing the big string at all in this one. So I'm going to hit that open twice there. And then do the chord, which is 1 3 open. So it's going to be. And then I'm going to hit that 3 on the 2nd string after it to get that melody finished. So it's like. And I suddenly see you. Okay, something like that. So. Okay, then we're gonna have C. Pull the 1 out then. Then we're gonna go A minor, and then D. And then we're gonna finish with a G string. We're gonna do the like open and 3. And then a 2 to 4 hammer on the G string there. Okay, that finishes that bit, and then we'll be back to a new verse. So we'll go through all this verse stuff again. We got G, top 3 opens. Okay, now we're gonna get ready for that B minor thing. Yeah, it's wait for that 3 at the end. And then we have the C, pull out the 1, A minor, D, and that's that life at the end there. So open in 3, like I said, G string and B string, 3 there, 2 to 4. Now we're gonna get into the chorus. So it's like a G chord with a B flat up here, the 6th fret. Got to get you into my life. Okay, so it's, you go down to that 3 and back. And then if you can, hit that C chord while still doing that little B flat. And then it goes. Okay, so after that, we have O 2 3 on the G, and then open 3, C chord, and then same riff, G chord. Okay, then we do another verse here. We got. Do that again. B minor. And then our C. Pull out the 1, A minor, D, and that little end riff. We're back to our chorus with that 6. And with that one, you can kind of go up, down, 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 up, down, that kind of thing. Up, down, 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 up, down, down. Up, down, 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 down. Okay, now we have a quick little guitar solo. So this is going to go. Okay, so we have the open G, 1 to 3 hammer on the 2nd string. And then we'll hit the open 3 and 3. And actually you can go, you can hit that G string again after that first one. And then back to G, the 2 1 1 from an F. And here we're gonna have the 2 0 1 from a C. We're gonna hammer into that 3. Go back to the C, and then open and 3 down here. So it's. And then we're right back to the chorus. Got to get you into my life. Up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Up, down, down. Now here we have the outro. It's gonna go da 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 da. Okay, so it's like I was alone. So I'm going 1 3 1 3, and then the chord 1 3 1 3 chord. And then the last one, you're gonna go all the way up to that 7 and 3. I was alone, I took a ride, I didn't know what I would find there. Okay, then we got, just like the intro, just that first little part, then it's gonna go, another road. Now here we're gonna go to the F type chord. Another road, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Back to the G there. So it's a little tricky, but. And then we got, and then to that F thing twice, and then the G, and that one ends with 3 to 1 in the 2nd to 3 on the 3rd, and then we go back to that F chord, and then it's like, and suddenly I see you. So that's like a G chord, 8 6 6 6, 8 6 on the next one. F chord again. Did I tell you I need you? So it starts with the F, and then did I, little 3, tell you I need you. 1 open to 3 on the 2nd there, and then F again, and then this is the very end line. It's every single day, and it's faded out by then. So it starts with the F, and then it goes 8 6, and then 10 with the G chord, 10 7. 3 down there. You gotta end on that G. Okay, Got to Get You Into My Life by Paul McCartney and the Beatles. That's another one where I wove the melody into it. So this is a brand new arrangement for baritone ukulele. Hope you dig it. I'll have some tabs with this, and we'll talk to y'all soon.